guys. So yeah, I hope it works out. Alright. You're ready? We're ready? Okay, let me set the camera up. I'm gonna set it up right here because it will kind of, if I set it up over there, like it's really messed up. Okay guys, so there's a can of Dr. Pepper right there. I'm pointing at it, and yeah. So, I'm gonna set it over here a little more. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, this is so,
Hold on. Put on pause.
oh, why?
Because I should turn on again.
It's okay. I'll show you. So, yeah, it's gonna turn on right now. Loudest noise ever. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe and like. I did this all for you guys. Oh, my fidget spinner is gonna get ruined. I will if it actually gets ruined. Don't worry. He's fake. I know. But guys, if it actually gets ruined, that would be sad. Because this is a good one too.
Did you just find an envy?
Envy scooter. They found an envy scooter in there. If they found envy cars, I'll be like, I'll take them.
They're the worst brand.
Yeah, they're actually one of the worst trick scooter brands.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Ready for you, can of Coke? I would have drank you, but yeah, can of Coke is dead.
Alright, ready?
You're ready? Wait, let me set up the camera right here. So guys, you can see it, the can is right there. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, keep going. Keep going.
Don't hit your thing on.
And I'm ready. 1 million. Oh my god, it did nothing. What? Let's try mine. Yeah, let's try this one. Let's try Joseph. Yeah, the bigger one will probably do it. Yeah, Joseph's is bigger. But Joseph, just go like this. Just go. Okay? Just go like that. Go really hard, okay? Jesus Christ, that was crazy. Yeah. Do it more longer because I didn't do it 1,000
Here, you do it.
Okay. I'm going to do it with Joseph, okay, Dad? Yours is really fast.
Alright.
Get over here. So guys, we're doing it again with this white fidget spinner. Okay, go. I'll tell you when to stop. Guys, so we are putting more WD-40 on mine, so it will go faster. Woo! Oh my god! There's nothing to it! What the? Joseph!
boy's bike?
Huh?
You know what needs like a little boy's bike?
Dad, keep going.
No, don't worry.
Bike.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, they did it! It's squirting! Jesus! It's squirting! It's squirting everywhere! Oh, Jesus! It's squirting everywhere! Oh, let me try it. Dude, it's squirting everywhere! Let me try one more time. Oh, it's dead! It's squirting! Oh my God! Oh, it's squirting everywhere! Oh, dude, get it! It's like pepper spray! Dude, do it again! Do it again! Where's yours? Where's yours? Do it with yours. Oh. Bro, let me try. Where's mine? Oh, right here. Oh my God! Dude, it's like pepper spray in your face. You feel it? How does it feel? I don't know. I'm gonna spin it really fast.
Oh, did it work?
Yeah. It cracked it in half and it squirted all over. What? What? I'm gonna break it. So guys, hey, you just stepped in. Okay. So guys, that was the 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinner. I got all wet. Dude. Okay, this is what happened.
We should have put it in slow.
That's all Coke. Literally all. I'm not even joking, guys.
Should have put it in slow.
So yeah, guys. That was it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it didn't go as fast, but Joseph's wrecked it. So, it got all over here.
You know what we should have used?
What?
Jose's metal fidget spinner.
Who's that? Jesus?
Yeah.
Hey, Derek.
Oh, yeah.
Got you a new bike, man.
So, I have no idea where my cap flew, but
It was worth it.
yeah. Dad, can you look for? Oh, it's right there. I found it. So, my cap fell off. Yeah.
The funnest thing that we've probably ever done.
Yeah. Also, it's going on my new channel, so. See you guys, so. Yeah. It freaking splattered everywhere. Like, so this is how my fidget spinner is. It's like, if you guys could see this.
Show them the one that cracked it.
This one. Yeah, okay, so we have to go on this one to show this. So this is the one that actually cracked it. This white one. See? Ready? This is the one that actually cracked it. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that.
We did 1,000 mile per hour spinner.
Yeah. Wait, I have to end it. So here. Thank you guys all for watching this 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinner versus Coke. Or no, Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, I meant Dr. Pepper. So make sure to subscribe and like for more. And the giveaway is, I don't know who.
This white fidget spinner.
You're gonna give that away? Okay, look, this is gonna be the giveaway. This awesome, perfect white fidget spinner. Like, guys, who would give this away? But my friend actually is going for it. So, yeah. Thank you guys all for watching the fidget spinner awesome thing. And who's gonna win this is whoever says in the comments, I subscribed, but you have to actually subscribe and then say, I subscribed in the comments. Whoever first says that gets this, right? And it's actually really good. So, also guys, this fidget spinner,
Shout out to Ryan Play's channel.
yeah that too. But guys, we will be giving away more of these, right? In the future and stuff.
And my red one and my yellow one.
Yeah, so. Yeah,
We might give away a metal fidget spinner. With the
and
fidget
a
cube.
Batman one.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And the fidget cube.
Yeah. But that's in the future, guys. So, if you guys want to win this epic white fastest fidget spinner. Oh yeah, guys, we in one video, like maybe later today or tomorrow, we will be making a time how fast this goes. So, yeah. Thank you guys all for watching, and peace out. See you in the next fidget giveaway / video. Peace out, guys.